Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears as soon as it hits your bank account? You work hard all month, but by the 20th, you're already counting down the days until next payday. If this sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. Today on Financially Fluent, we're uncovering the real reasons why you're always broke and how you can break the cycle for good. Reason 1. Lifestyle creep. As we earn more, we tend to spend more. That fancy coffee or new gadget might feel small, but they add up fast. Reason 2. Not tracking expenses. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't control it. Most people spend 20 to 30% more than they think they do. Reason 3. The buy now, pay later trap. Subscriptions and installments are silent killers of your monthly budget. Reason 4. Lack of an emergency fund. Unexpected bills happen. Without a safety net, you end up using your next month's salary to pay for today's problems. The secret is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, 30% for wants, entertainment, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Start today, and you'll be financially fluent in no time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Financially Fluent. Let's build your wealth together. Comment below, what's your biggest money struggle right now?